Hi, I'm Jay Douglas. I don't usually narrate my drone videos, but this one kinda needs it. I'm flying my Autel Robotics EVO II Pro 6K in Ludicrous speed mode for the first time ever. It offers two top speeds, 34 and 45 miles per hour. We chose 45 just to see if we can actually get it. Everything looks good, so we're set to take off. We'll start the 4K video recording and let her rip.
Start recording. The home point has been reset.
There's no pitot tube and sensor for measuring airspeed on an EVO II, so we have to assume this will be 45 miles per hour of ground speed as the drone calculates from GPS. We had a 4 to 8 mile per hour crosswind from the east the day we flew. Anything other than a straight tailwind will likely slow down our ground speed. We'll fly almost due south in the subdivision. I haven't flown much in that direction, so we'll see if the Wi-Fi interference is about the same as other directions I've flown. There are plenty of houses and lots of Wi-Fi to interfere with the video link for the drone. One thing we noticed right off is that Obstacle Avoidance didn't automatically shut off when we chose Ludicrous mode, as it used to do when I first got the drone. There have been several firmware updates since then, and apparently a few changes. You can see the green obstacle avoidance indicator in the upper right corner of the drone's telemetry and first-person view video screen, which is the inset at the upper left of your screen. When the obstacle avoidance is turned off, that indicator is gray and dimmed. We'll fly out at about 350 feet of altitude until we get the weak video link warning, then we'll turn back home. So there we go, just over 41 miles per hour.
Video link signal is weak.
And there's our cue to turn around at 2,676 feet out. On the way back, we get 36 miles per hour. Obstacle avoidance is still on, but we're well above any obstacles. After we land, we'll take off next to a privacy fence and see if the obstacle avoidance keeps us from getting closer to it. The EVO II has 12 sensors that give it 360-degree obstacle avoidance capability. You'll see the radar display on the telemetry screen and hear the warning beeps as we land. First, we'll check street traffic and make sure we're clear to land.
The aircraft is landing. Stop recording.
Now we'll take off from the sidewalk about 6 feet from a privacy fence.
Start recording. The home point has been reset.
Right off the bat, we get the red radar warning that we can't move the drone any closer to the fence. With full pitch forward on the joystick, we're going nowhere. And we'll check and confirm that we're still in Ludicrous mode. Let's turn toward the street and move away from the fence. Here we're 14 feet from the fence behind us. After we turn parallel to the fence, Obstacle Avoidance still won't let us move sideways to the sidewalk and closer to the fence. So we'll turn off Obstacle Avoidance by tapping the green status icon to make it go gray and dim. Now we can move over the sidewalk and land. The screen radar display and beeping stay on just as a warning.
Stop recording.
What we still don't know from this test is whether you can fly the EVO II at 45 miles per hour toward an obstacle and expect it to stop in time. Anybody else want to run that test? I don't. Thanks for watching.
Remote control and the aircraft disconnected. Remote control and mobile phone disconnected.